I'm Scott Wyatt from Advantage, and for DemoJam, I'll show you an update of an award-winning app that can speed up the supply chain of most Quickbase customers in as little as a day and get up to all their employees and suppliers getting value from Quickbase in a day without any training or even knowing they're using Quickbase. That's why we built this app. Thanks for the tips, Ian Lawson. Vendor procurement and supply chain functions are still legacy processes, and the offline forms, agreements, and transactions between the buyers and suppliers can cripple businesses with these kind of slowness and costs. But what if a new breed of Quickbase app could give them these kind of business improvements? That could be a huge winner for Quickbase and its customers. The source of the problem is the volumes of required business forms, transactions, agreements, and approvals in supply chains are mostly done offline on the left here, outside of Quickbase, in paper, emailed PDFs, or somebody else's e-signature tool. Our solution is to convert the real business assets into working Quickbase forms, documents, and assets, eliminating all the offline work on the left side and doing it directly in Quickbase. Our Form Engine add-on does all that and speeds up the supply chain processes you saw from days or weeks to hours or minutes, and eliminates all the costs and manual work in the middle like nothing else. Our DemoJam entry delivers these results in an updated version of our hackathon award-winning S2P Lightning app, a new breed of application with digital transactions between the parties, like blockchain smart contract done in Quickbase, or as Forrester calls it, a shared system of agreement. We're competing in the supply chain category, but this app also benefits the industry categories since the supply chain is core to every company and their common processes. So this S2P Lightning app is a system of agreement that gets its data and documents from the digital transactions we create between the procurement group who owns it, up to all the company's employees, all the company's suppliers, and any other parties in the supply chain like warehousing and logistics. The parties interact together, with most of them not even knowing or needing to know they're using a shared system, since the best system is an invisible system. The workflows we're automating here are numbered in the order I'll show you, though the app handles more. So in the S2P app here, you can see you can automate onboarding of all new suppliers with only a couple of the tables in the app. To onboard a new supplier, you just create a supplier record with as little as these 3 fields. And an email notification goes to the supplier contact with the links to online versions of the real business and government forms that procurement needs from them. When suppliers fill out these new online forms, they provide all the data and e-signed executed agreements procurement needs that go directly into the S2P app without suppliers even knowing there is an S2P app. There's also PDF data parsing. So for instance, if a supplier wanted to attach their completed W-9 in PDF instead of filling out a new one, the Form Engine parses the data out of it and creates a Quickbase record with the mapped data and attached PDF. We can now easily extract the data out of volumes of PDFs and get their data in PDFs into Quickbase. Next, most employees need to buy things to get their work done, and helping them and procurement do that easier brings value to all of them. So with S2P, any customer can speed up their purchase requisition process company-wide in a day just using one table in this app. The company's official purchase requisition form is digitized into an enhanced Quickbase form with e-signatures like this one in minutes, and the link to the form is posted anywhere employees need it. Employees just use this form instead of emailing around PDF requests in the same format. And the data and signed PDFs automatically go into the S2P app without the employees needing any training. Every employee request gets auto-routed for the correct approval signatures, and approved requests go to a buyer to generate a PO and place the order with one of the approved suppliers in the app. The PO is auto-generated by the app, and the buyer can send the order to any authorized supplier for fulfillment with just a couple of mouse clicks. The entire order and fulfillment process is handled in a single record between procurement and the supplier through a single combined system-generated PO and sales order form, simplifying the fulfillment process and creating a shared visibility and source of truth between them for every order. Next, the app creates QR codes for receipt of every order that goes out, improving material receipt. So any employee or warehouse agent can easily and correctly receive any shipments on their mobile devices, and those receipts go instantly into the S2P app as well. Another innovation is having the supplier provide an invoice in the customer's format, and there are big benefits to that. So in S2P, after mobile acceptance of shipments, the supplier gets a link automatically to fill out the invoice in the customer's format and submit back into S2P for approval and payment. And we have pipelines creating a bill for payment in the customer's accounting system for those new invoices. So there isn't even any keying of invoices into the AP system anymore. There's more functionality than we can quickly show here, like inventory-specific mobile forms and QR codes that can be printed on inventory bins. Any authorized user can scan a QR code to pull up a pre-populated reorder request for that inventory item on the bin, like this, complete and submit it into the system for an expedited reorder. Now, many of you have seen the form engine and are even helping customers use it to improve their businesses in many areas. Its builder interface and forms library can be used inside or outside of Quickbase apps. You'll see more about the form engine at Empower, and we're happy to help you try it yourself or support you when you come across customer needs for it. The S2P app with the form engine inside makes it a short step from doing these core supply chain functions poorly to doing them lightning fast. And the form engine can revolutionize employee and customer processes just the same. Our ask of you is to help us get this functionality featured at Empower and bring it to Quickbase customers everywhere. It grows Quickbase use, value, and stickiness in remarkable ways. Any Quickbase customer can get the S2P Lightning app from the exchange for free, or we will make a copy for them. And the form engine is an easy add-on to their Quickbase subscription when they decide they want to use it at scale. With this app and your help to promote it, we can speed up the supply chain world with Quickbase. Thanks.